Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today I'm going to show you how to adjust the speed on your Toro Personal Pace mower, self-propel mower. And to do that guys, you need to adjust this cable right here, which is tightened by this screw, or you may have your wing nut on there still, your plastic wing nut like this on yours guys. So okay guys, so to make your Toro Personal Pace go faster, you need to loosen this nut, or the wing nut, as I mentioned before. So when you loosen that guys, if you want to go slower, you will push it up. Let me get that loosened up a bit more. So to go slower, you would move it up, and to increase your speed, you would want to pull it down guys. So that's how you increase or decrease the speed on your Toro Personal Pace mower. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I hope this was helpful. God bless. Thank you. Also guys, if you do that and your personal pace mower still isn't performing as it should, you may need to check your belt. Please check my other video where I have a full detail step-by-step tutorial on how to replace your belt on the rear wheel drive Toro Personal Pace guys.